Secure boot is the complicated part that you won't want to mess with. If you want to see secure boot is enabled on your PC, fortunately you don't have to go to the BIOS now. You can simply go to the start menu, type the miss info. Now here you can see if secured boot state feed is on or if it's off, you can follow the video along and see how you can enable it. First go to the start menu, holding shift on your keyboard, click power button icon, then restart. Now your computer is restart. Here you can click on troubleshoot, choose advanced option, click on UEFI firmware setting, then restart. Look at the boot option of security tab and find the secure boot option. Select secure boot and set it to enable or on it if it's not already. So this was how you can enable secure boot on Windows 11. So the question is still why you should enable secure boot. Secure boot is an important security feature that most modern computers have in place of its own code. It was developed by UEFI Consortium, which includes many of the biggest PC technology companies in the world. Secure boot ensures that only trusted and verified code run where your computer starts up. So it's for security and make sure it's always open up, and I'll see you in the next one.